Hello and welcome to this live demo of Uptick app. My name is Sebastian Nelson. I'm one of the co-founders here, and I'm super excited to share with you this demo. If you're unfamiliar with Uptick, we are the absolute best way to onboard affiliates on TikTok Shop, but then to also manage those affiliates once they're onboarded. If you're a TikTok Shop seller, you understand that sending out samples is the lifeblood of any business that wants to scale past 6 figures on the platform. But how do you get those affiliates? And if you're already onboarding those affiliates, how do you get the most out of them? That is what I'm going to share with you in this video, and I'm going to share how Uptick is a crucial element of that strategy. So stick around. I'm going to show you each and every aspect of the software so you can understand if it's a good fit for you and your business. All right, so here we are within the Uptick dashboard. This is where you're going to create your affiliate outreach campaigns. So if you're unfamiliar with affiliate outreach campaigns, what they basically allow us to do is remove the tedious process of manually inviting tons of affiliates to promote your products. With Uptick, you can invite 4,000 affiliates per day with target invites. Now, what that will net is tons of sample requests from high quality affiliates that you select each and every single day. So I want to walk you through the types of campaigns you can create. So come up here, click new campaign. We'll give it a name, we'll say product 1 and we'll say invites. And then we'll select, for this one, we'll do an invite campaign. Now down here, you have 3 options. So you can look for new affiliates, you can upload a list, or you can use a CRM group from over here. Now we'll go over the groups function later, but for now we'll stick with a invite to new affiliates to bring on new creators to our brand. Now you'll be able to select your creator parameters. Now we pull from a list of 777,000 affiliates in our proprietary database, and you are allowed to filter by product category, follower count, follower age, follower gender, GMV, units sold, average views per video, minimum engagement rate, and fast growing. Now let's go over here. Let's just select for this example 1 to 10K and 100 to 1K. And that leaves us with 78,000 affiliates left to target. Once over here on the next page, on the product ID page, you'll pull your product ID from right under the product title on your manage products page within Seller Center. You'll paste it in here, and this is one of our demo products. It'll pull all of the product data, and you'll have a chance to put in the commission rate for each and every single product, and you can put multiple products in here, as many as you'd like. As you can see, it'll pull the product thumbnail as well as the name and price of the product. Then we can click next, and here's where you'll give the invite a title, for example, funny t-shirt. Now we'll type in here our outreach message. You can add affiliate name. So we can say, hey, affiliate name, So what that will do is it'll automatically pull the affiliate name from the affiliate that you are targeting. So you'll be able to type in your outreach message. I'll go ahead and type something in here and be right back. Okay, so once you type in your outreach message, you'll be able to select how long you want that invite to last within TikTok Shop. We would recommend, depending on how many samples you'll be sending out, giving them about 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. You'll be able to put in your contact email address. You have to input this. And then also whether you'd like to send free samples. Most people do. Now this next box will allow you to automatically approve anybody who requests a sample. I would recommend not checking that box unless you want to send out a ton of samples. Okay, once you got that filled out, you'll hit finish. And then you can see here, it'll go into your campaigns page, and then you can just hit start, and that will immediately start sending. It'll take about 2 to 3 minutes to start up, and then it'll start sending about 3 invites every single minute. Now, what this will do is it'll send about 4,000 per day, and you will start seeing the immediate sample requests start to come in. Now, once you have those sample requests coming in, how do you get the most out of each sample that you send out? When you're a brand owner and you invest cost of goods plus shipping into sending that sample, how do you ensure that you're getting not only the highest quality of video, but also the maximum number of videos? You as a business owner, I'm sure, have experienced the problem of sending out a sample and getting one low tier video in return for that sample. Now, you and I both know that that will never be profitable. So there are a few ways to get more videos out of affiliates and higher quality videos out of affiliates, which I'm going to walk you through. And that brings us to the creator management part of Uptick. So the groups page is going to be the most important part. Now, I like to message affiliates at every single point that I can. I call them touch points. So one of the first touch points is as soon as I approve the sample, I like to send that affiliate a message, thanking them for requesting the sample, letting them know that they've been approved, and welcoming them into the brand. Give them some buy-in. Tell them a little bit about your story as a brand owner, what the brand means, what it stands for, and who you aim to serve with the brand. Now, the next message I'd like to send is when you ship your product. When you ship out the sample, I like to send a flywheel, which I'll get into what that is briefly, and then also send them some of the top performing hooks from other creators for them to recreate in their videos. Now, the next one I like to send is once the sample has been delivered and it's content pending, I like to send them another message letting them know that their sample's been delivered, letting them know that you're super excited to see what they create, and also giving them some reassurance that, hey, the first video doesn't always go viral. In all likelihood, it won't go viral. So stick with it, put out 4, 5, 6 videos over the course of the next couple weeks, and you're gonna have a much better chance at success. That's what I like to tell my affiliates. So they're not bummed out when their first video doesn't go viral and they quit and they stop making videos, right? We want to encourage them to continue making content. Now, the next one is when they get their first sale, I like to send them a congratulations and say, hey, we're so excited you just got your first sale. We're so proud of you. We can't wait to see what you create next. Hey, by the way, and this is a good time to send them some incentives. If you have an incentive program, this is a good time to send them some incentives saying, hey, if you hit $1,000 in GMV, we're going to send you XYZ, right? So all of these steps together compound to get more videos out of your affiliates and also higher quality videos. And all of this can be automated within Uptick, and I'm going to show you how. So how you do this is you would create a group for each one of those touch points. So for example, on sample approval, I would select affiliate status and ready to ship. Now, once it's ready to ship, this will be any affiliate who's been approved for a sample. I can create this group. Now we'll create another group for shipped. We'll select shipped. This is a demo account, so we don't actually send out samples. The next one will be content pending, right? Now we'll select content pending, and then now it's on to first sale. So as soon as they get their first sale, and let's say, yep, we'll just leave the max open. Let's say first sale. So as soon as they get their first sale, they get this message. Okay, and then there are a few other ones I like to set up, which are follow-up messages. So 7 days, no post. So if they haven't posted a video in 7 days, I like to follow up with them. If they haven't posted a video in 14 days, let's just say 14 days, I like to follow up with them. And if they haven't posted a video in 30 days, I like to follow up with them. Again, just letting them know, hey, this affiliate's been really doing well with our product. We know you already have the sample. We'd love to see a couple more videos from you. All of these different groups and these different automated messages really help to push up the number of videos that each affiliate makes and also the quality of those videos, which I'm going to show you in the next section, which is flywheels. So now we've created all our groups, which are, all the points at which we want to contact an affiliate along their journey with our brand. But on shipped, I mentioned that I want to send them a flywheel to improve the quality of their videos. So what is a flywheel? So a flywheel is essentially you can send them all of your top performing videos from your store, or if you're a newer product, you can automatically send them top performing videos from another store with a similar product. So the flywheel name will be internal facing. So let's go top 5 vids. And then the headline will be affiliate facing. So you can say something like, hey, check out these top performing videos from other creators. These videos have produced X amount in GMV over the last 30 days. Now you can select from Shop's top 20 and it'll automatically pull your store's top 20. I don't know what this video is, or you can add links manually and you can paste them in here and add them and then just hit create flywheel and you'll be ready to go. So the way we use all of these different groups and flywheels is in the campaign section. Now we'll create a new campaign. And instead of before we did invite and new affiliate, we'll do DM and CRM group. So we'll just go, we'll set up the first one, which is sample approved. Now we'll be able to select that CRM group that we made over here on sample approval. Okay, now we can customize the message order of which we want to send them. So we can send them a few different things. We can add a message and an image, right? We can also add the flywheel or Spark ads. We'll go over those later. We already went over flywheel, but that'll be on the shipped message. So for this one, this is just the sample's been approved. So we want to say, hey, we're so excited, to have you with the brand, blah, blah, blah. This is why we think this is going to be a great fit and a great partnership. This is our brand story. This is our vision. Just anything that's going to give that affiliate some emotional buy-in to your brand, right? You want to make it more than just another sample request. These affiliates deal with tons of samples each and every single day. So make yours mean more. And this is a way to do that. So you would set up these groups these campaigns for each and every single one of those groups that we just made. So for example, we just did the on sample approval. Then we'll do the shipped. So on shipped, this is where I like to provide that flywheel. So I'll do a message. Hey, check out these top performing videos from other affiliates. And then I'll add flywheel below it. You'll be able to select your flywheel, for example, my shop top 20. Okay, and then you'll hit finish. Now, every time a sample has shipped, you'll start this group. Every time a sample has shipped, they're automatically going to get that message showing them the top performing videos from other creators for them to recreate. So that is going to elevate their quality of videos because they're going to know what's working. They don't have to do any of the research on their own. It's going to be automatically delivered to their inbox. So we would go through and we would create a new campaign for each and every single one of those CRM groups we made. Now, you don't have to do all of them. You can pick and choose as you want. My recommendation would be to do all of them. Each of those touch points, it's just going to add to the number of videos that each affiliate makes and also the quality of those videos. So the next feature I want to go over is the Spark Ads request. So this is going to enable you to automatically request Spark ads from top performing affiliates. So let's go ahead and let's make a group for the affiliates that we want to request Spark ads from. So let's say Spark ads, and let's say we want to get a Spark ads from anybody who does $100 plus GMV. We would name it that, and we would add 100 as the minimum GMV. We would create group. Then we would go to campaigns, create new campaign. It would be a DM campaign with a CRM group. And let's say Spark ads request. Let's select that CRM group we just made, which was Spark ads 100 plus. And now let's add a message plus a Spark ads request. So let's say, hey, we've been loving your videos and are thinking about using them as Spark ads. Submit videos below. Perfect. So now they'll get a link that's a custom URL just for your brand. They'll paste that link into their browser, and on that link, they're going to be able to put in their video URL and also the view count of that video and the Spark ads code. So we'll hit finish and then we'll start that. So once they submit a Spark ads code, it'll be vaulted right here with view count and GMV for you to reference at any point. So if you find that, hey, I want to use Michelle or 72's video that did a minimum of 500 GMV, you can instantly, obviously we don't have any that have done that, you can instantly come and copy that Spark Ads request, right? That Spark Ads code, sorry, and then use it in your ads. We also have the My Videos page. This is where you're going to be able to access all of the videos that have been posted from your affiliates. Excuse me. You can sort by GMV, view count, or post date in here, and you can also search by handle. Then we have the profit calculator. This allows you to quickly create models for different products, sale price, creator commission, and whatnot, and quickly figure out your profit margins after your samples sent out. So, for example, let's say you're selling a $30 product and you want to send, or let's finish these first. It's $5 shipping cost. It costs you $2.50. You have 1,000 units of it, and you want to do 30% commission. How many samples can you send out before you're losing money, right? So let's plug in, let's say 300 samples you want to send out. Of the 1,000 units, you send out 300 samples. You stand to profit after the cost of those samples. You stand to profit 9.44 per unit, or 31%. So it's going to quickly allow you to figure out, hey, how many samples can I send out for this product, right? If you have great profit margins like this example product, you might be able to send out 500-600 samples and still be profitable, right? Which is really, really good to know for you. And you can also save these different models. So this one is $30 sale price with 30% commission. And so maybe I want to say, hey, you know what? Let me actually lower the commission. Let me put the commission down to 20%, right? And let's see what that does. Now I'm at an 11% margin. And so you can quickly kind of create all these different models and quickly figure out, hey, is this going to be profitable if I send out X amount of samples? So we also have the metrics page. This is going to give you a high level overview of, hey, this is how many invites we've sent. This is how many DMs we've sent. This is how many sample requests we've gotten. Here's our average post per creator, our total videos, how many people have us in showcase, and you're going to be able to see all of those affiliates right here. And you can, sort by GMV, sample requests, what status they are, or their handle. We have the logs page. This is just going to give you a log of exactly what the campaign is doing and who it's sending to. And then we also have the emails function. So you're going to be able to download a list of affiliate emails. So we have 100,000 emails that we've pulled from affiliates on TikTok Shop. You're going to be able to sort by those same criteria that we have in the campaigns function. But now you'll just be able to download that list if you want to use it on an email marketing service. That is everything Uptick does. Very quick overview. We do offer a 3-day trial before you have to put any money down. So I would highly recommend trying it out, setting up some of these automations, and you'll see the sample requests come in quickly. And over time, you'll start to see the quality of those videos go up, and also the quantity of videos per sample start to rise. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to join our Discord or shoot me or the team an email at info@uptick.app. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.